Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Sneaky Little Punk. Today I'm going to show you how to put full mac choy. Yeah, wait. Oopsies. This is the leaf, how it looks like. And then I'm going to put it in the basket. And then I got one here, so I'm just going to take this one. Putting it in the basket. Then we take this one. Putting it. Oh, I found a capitilla. Right there. It's moving. Right there. It's gonna become a butterfly. And then over here one. And over here. Oh, I don't want to take this. Over here one. Over here. I'm gonna pull it. Here one. Okay guys, so this is full mac choy. I'm going to teach you how to cook it with spaghetti. Okay guys, we just came back from the garden. Now we're in the kitchen. So one of my friends requested that today she wanted me to cook spaghetti. So let's make spaghetti. Let's cook spaghetti. This is the type of spaghetti. Okay, first we're going to make spaghetti with teriyaki chicken. So we need 2 of this meat. 2, debone. And we need oyster sauce. There's the oyster here and the little boy and the mommy, or maybe just the sister. And then we need teriyaki sauce. We need pepper. We need hoisin sauce. We need plum sauce. And we need mixed spice. These are the ingredients. Okay, now we're going to marinate the chicken, which is debone. So, yeah. So, okay, my handy-mandy is helping me put all those sauce. So we're gonna marinate for like 13 minutes. Around 13 minutes. Yeah, so let's, oh my gosh. The hoisin sauce smells. And this is the plum sauce, that's the hoisin sauce. So we add the hoisin and the plum sauce. Now we are about to put the mixed spice. Oh, that smells. And then we're gonna put the teriyaki sauce. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to eat it. Is it gonna be yum? And then we're gonna put the oyster sauce next. And then the last one is the pepper. Here you go. You can put it in here. And then we're gonna, oh my goodness, it looks like brown chocolate. Nah, don't. It looks like brown chocolate chicken. Ew. So this is how it looks like. I can see it's gonna be very brown, the chicken. Oh, okay, my handy-mandy's helping me. It looks like a brown. Oh, I can tell this chicken's yummy. Okay, guys, now we're gonna boil the spaghetti. So first, let's on the fire. 1, 2, 3. Oopsies. Oopsies. Okay, yeah, and then let's wait for it to boil. While we wait, let's talk. Okay, so always remember to subscribe, like this video, press the bell button, and comment down if your cooking is yummy, and you should learn it, cook it, and try it, and also eat it. Guys, the water is boiling. It's coming out smoke. And there's bubbles in it. Oh yeah, boom, boom, boom. Okay guys, my handy-mandy is helping me cut the garlic. Boom, 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 boom. And the water is smoking and boiling. Very hot. Okay guys, this is how much spaghetti you want. I'm gonna go. Hurry, hurry, hurry. And woo. And guys, I'm gonna put half salt over top. My hands burning. Well, this is the part where my handy-mandy help me stir. Okay guys, now we're gonna put full bok choy. It's my favorite veggie, but it's slightly bitter, but I really love it. Well, I don't know what it's called English and Basa, so sorry. But my grandmother told me it's called full bok choy. Now we're gonna dump it in, and you can like mix it for like a few minutes because it will cook very quick. Okay guys, so it's done. So my handy-mandy is help me to take out those 2 bok choy. Okay, looks like it's all out. Okay guys, now we're gonna fry the chicken because the chicken's already marinated. So let's on the fire and slow fire. And then we put in the oil. Okay, that's enough. And then when you want to know it's ready, you have to wait for the smoke to come out. So yeah, let's wait. Okay guys, now the oil is hot, so my handy-mandy is going to help me fry the marinated chicken. Guys, the chicken is cooking. Now I'm frying spaghetti. And it smells great. Okay guys, now the chicken is ready. So let it rest and the spaghetti is soft. Guys, now my handy-mandy is helping me cut that chicken. I'm sure it's going to be delicious. Guys, you can also add thyme leaves. Okay, so we added garlic, thyme leaves, and full bok choy together in the spaghetti. And now my handy-mandy is helping me cook. Okay guys, so the noodles ready. We added this chicken and the veggie. So let's try the noodle first. Delicious. Let's try my favorite veggie. Delicious as well. And the chicken. The best. Now, I like the chicken the most. So I will remember to learn it, cook it, and fry it, and also eat it. So yeah, tell me whether cooking is yummy, and see you next time. Goodbye!